Objective mineralogy, multiple choice questions with answers. These are useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET-GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 11. Coming to the first question. Thulite is A. Pyroxene, B. Chlorite, C. Joycite, D. Melilite. The correct option is thulite is a joycite. Thulite is a pink variety of mineral joycite. It is also known as rosaline. So, thulite is a joycite. C is the correct option. Next question. Diatomite is a variety of A. Plasma, B. Flint, C. Opal, D. Agate. So, diatomite is a variety of opal. C. Opal is the correct option. Next question. Melting point of quartz is about A. 1470 degree centigrade, B. 1728 degree centigrade, C. 870 degree centigrade, D. 167 degree centigrade. So, the correct option is melting point of quartz is about 1728 degree centigrade. The melting point of quartz, this is around about 1728 degree centigrade. This is at 1 atmospheric pressure. The melting point of a substance is the temperature at which it changes from solid to liquid. And the melting point of quartz is high because of the strong chemical bonds between the silicon and oxygen atoms in the crystalline structure. So, B. 1728 is the correct option. Next question. In which of the following minerals cleavage is absent? A. Topaz, B. Corundum, C. Talc, D. Calcite. So, obviously in corundum cleavage is absent. Corundum is a mineral that generally lacks a dominant cleavage and fractures in a conchoidal manner. Next question. Ruby, which is a red gem variety of corundum and a natural aluminum oxide, is named as A. Bloodstone, B. Pigeon blood, C. Hornstone, D. Tigersite. So, the correct option is B. Pigeon blood. Pigeon blood is a term used to describe a type of ruby with a deep, rich red color. This color is often compared to the blood of a pigeon. Pigeon blood rubies are among the most valuable and these are very important after rubies in the world. Next question. A polymorph of SiO2 which is found in the deep interior of the earth is A. Cairngorm, B. Citrine, C. Stishovite, D. None of the above. The correct option is polymorph of silica which is found in the deep interior of the earth is known as a stishovite. C is the correct option. Next question. The mineralogical name of bronze mica: A. Lepidolite, B. Phlogopite, C. Clintonite, D. None of the above. Mineralogical name of a bronze mica is known as a phlogopite. So, the phlogopite, it is represented as a potassium, magnesium, aluminum silicate hydroxide. So, its formula is KMg3 Al Si3O10 OH twice. Next question. Hemimorphite crystallizes in which type of silicate structure? A. Nesosilicate, B. Cyclosilicate, C. Sorosilicate, D. Phyllosilicate. Hemimorphite crystallizes in as a sorosilicate. C. Sorosilicate is the correct option. Sorosilicates are also known as a double island silicates because they have two linked tetrahedrons that are isolated from other tetrahedron. So, C. Sorosilicate is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following polymorphic of aluminum silicate is triclinic? A. Kyanite, B. Andalusite, C. Sillimanite, D. All of the above. So, the correct option is A. Kyanite. Kyanite is the polymorphic form of aluminosilicate, that is triclinic. So, it occurs as kyanite occurs as a bladed and tabular triclinic crystals. Lamellar twinning is also common and it has two cleavage directions, one perfect and the other one good uneven, and it has a directional hardness with 4 in the direction of C axis and 7.5 in the right angles to axis, and that is why kyanite is also known as a dysthene because of its variable hardness. So, here it is triclinic. So, that is why the polymorphic form of aluminosilicate which is triclinic is A. Kyanite. Next question. Sodium iron containing pyroxene is, the choices are A. Aegirine, B. Jadeite, C. Spodumene, D. Euline. Sodium iron containing pyroxene is known as a, so the correct option is A. Aegirine. The coupled substitution of sodium and aluminum for 2 magnesium in enstatite produces the pyroxene jadeite, and the coupled substitution of sodium and iron for 2 magnesium it produces the pyroxene aegirine. So sodium iron containing pyroxene is Egerine. Next question. Fibrous variety of quartz is called A. Flint, B. Chalcedony, C. Chert, D. Amethyst. Fibrous variety of quartz is known as a Chalcedony. So Chalcedony is the general name applied to the fibrous varieties. It is more specifically thought of as a brown translucent variety with a waxy luster, often mammillary and in other initiative shapes. Next question. Emerald, which occurs mainly in zoned complex pegmatite, is the grass green variety of A. corundum, B. apatite, C. topaz, D. beryl. So emerald, which commonly occurs as in a zoned complex pegmatite, it is the grass green variety of beryl. Next question. Gold occurs in the form of A. planosol, B. tellurides, C. samides, D. quaternite. So gold occurs in the form of tellurides. So tellurides, gold can occur in the form of a telluride mineral such as calaverite, krennerite, petzite and sylvanite. So in all these forms gold occurs in tellurides. Next question. The characteristic electrical property of tourmaline is its A. pyroelectricity, B. piezoelectricity, C. high conductivity, D. both A and C. So the characteristic electrical property of tourmaline, it is a pyroelectricity. So when heated, tourmaline develops a positive charge on one end and a negative charge on the other, and these charges reverse when the crystal cools. So this property causes tourmaline to attract dust when it is heated under display lights. Next question. Fracture in diamond is A. even, B. conchoidal, C. Hackley and D. uneven. Fracture in diamond is known as a B. conchoidal. So diamonds can have conchoidal fractures which are shell-like breaks that are similar to the glass, and conchoidal fractures are caused by stress and are in any direction other than parallel to the planes of atoms in a crystalline mineral. So fracture in diamond is conchoidal. B is the correct option. Next question. Calcium poor pyroxene found in volcanic rocks is A. diapside, B. pigeonite, C. edinburghite, D. argite. So calcium poor pyroxene found in volcanic rocks is known as a pigeonite. Pigeonite is a calcium poor clinopyroxene. So with a general formula of Si2O6, where the calcium cation fraction, it can vary from 5% to 25%, and the rest of the cations are made up of iron and magnesium. So calcium poor pyroxene found in volcanic rocks is pigeonite. B is the correct option. Next question. Epidote is also known as A. orthite, B. triphane, C. pistacite and D. egrite. So epidote is also known as a pistacite. So pistacite is nothing but a pistachio green variety of the mineral that is known as epidote. So that's why C. pistacite is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following mineral is also known as the metal of hope? A. uranium, B. plutonium, C. radium, D. osmium. So uranium is also known as the metal of the hope. So because it's a valuable resource for the nuclear energy production. Next question. Bond which has the strongest bond strength is A. ionic, B. covalent, C. metallic, D. van der Waals bond. So the bond which has the strongest bond strength is known as a covalent, because a sigma bond is the strongest type of the covalent bond, and a sigma bond is formed when electrons are shared between two s orbitals. So here B. covalent is the correct option. Next question. What is a mineral wool? A. scapolite, B. andalusite, C. asbestos, D. kyanite. So asbestos is also known as a mineral wool, a group of naturally occurring fibrous minerals that are resistant to heat and erosion, and asbestos has been used in many commercial products including insulation and then fireproofing materials, automotive breakers and wallboard materials. So C is the correct option. Hope you have followed the questions. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Hope you can subscribe and you can share the information with others. Thank you.